Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show off the Victory 4x4 3/4 roof rack. Let's get started. So one of my favorite things about this roof rack is the size. This is a 3/4 roof rack, meaning that it does not cover the entire length of the roof. The moonroof starts a little bit here behind the moonroof. This is really handy for a couple things. One, you have full access to the moonroof, but also much reduced wind noise, if not eliminated. So you have this super thick wind fairing. The gauge of this is actually about the same gauge as, I think it's the exact same gauge actually as the actual side rails. All aluminum, so you never have to worry about rust. The hardware is stainless steel. The cross members are aluminum 80/20 bars, and there's a double channeled one so that you can, any kind of hardware that you want to set inside the cross member on the side, you can set it in on each side and slide it around to adapt to anything you want. The screw hole inserts are staggered on each cross member, again, total of 5. And then also they make a couple really cool accessories. One of them is the grab handle that you're looking at right now. That's a kind of a must if you're going to use your roof rack. It's nice to just grab that and kind of pull yourself up, step on your running board or step on your tire, and get yourself up on top of the car for securing anything that you're going to use it for. One other cool accessory that they sell too, which is not displayed here, is the scene lights. And you can use any kind of scene lights you want, but they do have a specific scene light accessory for the side rail. In the description section below, we'll link to this roof rack on their website, as well as the accessories. That's all for today. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel for future 4Runner content, and stay tuned for the rest of the 4Runner mod series.